If you're wondering whether Forex Wealth Code is worth checking out, the answer is yes. As a free educational workshop, it's worth watching if you're interested in learning Forex trading. But if you're expecting guaranteed profits or effortless income, you should lower your expectations because Forex trading always involves risk. Let's take an honest look at what Forex Wealth Code offers and who it's actually for. Forex Wealth Code is a free online Forex trading workshop centered around a strategy presented by Toshko Raychev, who is described on the sales page as a 3-time world trading champion. The workshop explains a structured trading method designed to simplify Forex trading for beginners. According to the promotional material, it covers topics like identifying trading opportunities, managing risk, and making trading decisions efficiently. The sales page also shares example trading results, but it's important to remember that these are marketing examples, not guarantees of what every trader will achieve. Inside the workshop, you'll learn the basics of the Forex market, how currency pairs move, a repeatable trading framework, risk management principles, common mistakes beginners make, how experienced traders approach market analysis. One thing I like is that the workshop focuses on education before asking you to make any purchasing decisions. That's generally a better approach than jumping directly into expensive trading courses. One of the biggest questions people ask is, can you really turn $100 into nearly $2,000 in 15 days? The sales page presents this as an example of what's claimed to be possible using the strategy. However, it's important to understand that Forex trading is highly risky. Market conditions change constantly, and no strategy can guarantee profits. Your results will depend on your experience, discipline, market conditions, and risk management. If anyone promises guaranteed returns in Forex, that's usually a red flag. Let's see the pros and cons. Pros. Free workshop. Beginner-friendly explanations. Covers trading psychology and risk management. Easy entry point for people curious about Forex. No prior experience required. Cons. Marketing examples may create unrealistic expectations if taken literally. Forex trading carries significant financial risk. Success still requires practice, patience, and continuous learning. Before you decide, let's see the most searched question. Is Forex Wealth Code legit? Forex Wealth Code is a real educational workshop. Whether it's valuable depends on your expectations and willingness to learn. It should not be viewed as a guarantee of trading success. Is Forex Wealth Code free? Yes. The initial workshop is promoted as free. Is Forex Wealth Code good for beginners? It is designed with beginners in mind and explains fundamental Forex concepts before moving into trading strategies. Can beginners make money with Forex? Some beginners do become profitable over time, but Forex trading involves substantial risk, and many new traders experience losses while learning. Does Forex Wealth Code guarantee profits? No. Like any legitimate financial education, it cannot guarantee future trading results. So, is Forex Wealth Code worth watching? If you're looking for a free introduction to Forex trading and want to understand how a structured trading strategy works, I think it's worth spending some time on the workshop. Just remember to treat it as educational content, not as a promise of guaranteed income. If you'd like to learn more or watch the free workshop yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. And if this review helped you, consider subscribing for more honest reviews of trading courses, investing tools, and online business opportunities. Thanks for watching my Forex Wealth Code review.